Good morning. We feel proud. We feel so pleasure to welcome you as our chief guest. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. We are very happy to welcome our chairman, correspondent, and senior principal. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am.
Good morning, sir or madam. We are very happy to welcome you for our Sri Vimala Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School EXPO. It's a humble request from our side to visit our student EXPO. Thank you, sir. We would like to give a small introduction about our school. This is our school. This is an associate school of Dr. Vimala Convent.
Our school was started in the year 2016 by our founder, chairman, late Mr. S. Muthukumar.
Yes, our founder worked and served to the people as a joint director, rural development in Tamil Nadu.
He is the root cause of our school.
He loved us so much and looked as his own grandchildren.
Now he is no more, but his thoughts, action, and his blessing will make us succeed in our life.
You know his son, our chairman and correspondent, is showering his love on us.
Yes, he is always energetic, enthusiastic, and provides all the amenities required for our holistic and blissful learning.
Yes, you are right.
Hey, next I am going to say about an important person.
She is our beloved, lovely senior principal.
She always comes with a smiling face. She motivates, encourages, and ready to spare her utmost time in developing our proficiency and confidence.
Absolutely right.
Who is next?
Our principal, Mrs. Shantivel Murugan, she always cheers and comforts us.
Our coordinator, Mrs. Vimala Varshini, she helps us in enhancing our wisdom in a friendly manner.
What about our teachers?
They are so lovely and affectionate. They work so hard to help to stimulate our intellectual sense within us.
Okay, can you tell about the amenities?
Yes, why not?
Beautiful school.
Big classroom.
Smart rooms to provide audio-visual learning.
Vast library with lots of books. Big labs for physics, chemistry, and biology. Hey, we have big computer lab too, with many computers.
Yeah.
We have kids playroom and playground.
Generator. Yeah, uninterrupted power supply.
Rainwater harvesting to save water resource.
RO plant for clean purified drinking water.
Recycled water plant.
What about academics?
We have plenty.
MI kits for developing communication skills.
Spell bee for language development.
Olympiads and many to read to foster our knowledge.
Many participated in various inter-school competition and win prizes too, even in inter-school sports also.
We have extracurricular activities such as yoga, chess, carom, kabaddi, kho, cooking, stitching, gardening, Bhagavad Gita, etc. We have upcoming extracurricular activities such as robotics, etc.
Yes, we have a healthy learning with fun and enjoyment.
Very important thing we target.
What is that?
Our first batch of grade 10 brothers and sisters have successfully completed with high scores during the academic year of 2021 to 22.
We have a very happy and peaceful environment with investing person. They did be
Algebraic identities. The first one will be the a minus b the whole square, the a plus b the whole square, then the x plus a x plus b is, so the a plus b the whole cube. So the a plus b square formula is the algebraic identity used to find the square of the sum of two numbers. The a plus b square finds the square, formula is widely used to factorize the binomial. So the a plus b the whole square formula is explained below along with the solve. To
explain about Pythagoras theorem. In triangle, we took on the right angle ABC. The right angle at B, the side opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So I'm going to explain how it works. So the Pythagoras theorem says that the square of hypotenuse is sum of the other squares of other two sides.
Now most of them hate maths because of the formulas. Then especially trigonometry is all about the formulas and memorizing it. For memorizing these formulas, we have so much of shortcuts. For sin theta, we have the finger trick, which has 5 degrees. One is 0 degree, and another one is 30 degree, another is 45, 60, and 90. For 0 degree, we have to measure that 0 degree. For below the 0 degree is no fingers are there. So root 0 by 2. It can be defined as 0. Then 30. Before the finger, it's one finger. Root 1 is 1. So 1 by 2. Then 45. Well, coming to 45, it has 2 finger. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. Then numerator root 2 and denominator root 2 can be cancelled and get 1 by root 2. For 60 degree, there are 3 fingers below it. So as applying this formulas, root 3 by 2. Then final, that is 90 degree. 90 degree, 4 fingers are there. The 4 fingers, the root 4 is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. The same formulas were applied for cos theta and tan theta. Thank you.
We will see how trigonometry is useful when to measuring the height and distance of the building without actually measuring them. Here, a man is standing in front of a building with the height of the building is 30 meter. So the light from the ground to the building is meeting the point and it forms a 30 degree. So we know the height. We have to find the distance between two of them. So that we can take tan 30. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. By simplifying we know the height. By simplifying this, we get the distance, which is 30 root 3 meters.
Morning, we are going to see about transversal of parallel lines. They are angle between 1 to 8. We are going to see which angles are equal. Angle 1 and angle 3 are equal because angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angle. Angle 5 and angle 7 are equal because angle 5 and angle 7 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 7 and angle 3 are equal because they are vertically opposite corresponding angles. Angle 5 and angle 1 are equal because they are corresponding angles. Angle 5 and angle 3 are equal because they are alternative interior angle. Angle 6 and angle 8 are equal because they are vertically opposite angle.
Today I am going to explain you about EVM. Electronic voting machine was first introduced on 1989. Electronic voting machine was first used by the North Paravur Assembly in Kerala in 1982. Electronic voting machine was very eco-friendly because electronic voting machine saved 150,000 trees and 800 tons of paper.
This is my model human respiratory system. Air and water are the nature's gift. These two are very important for all the living things. This is human respiratory system. Simply, we all are called it as lungs. Lungs plays important role in our life because we need to breathe to live. These are parts of human respiratory system. This is nose, this is mouth, this is windpipe, this is right side lungs and this is left side lungs. Let us see how it works. While we breathe in, air enters through the nose, it passes through the windpipe and it goes to the lungs. The air we breathe in has oxygen that it is absorbed by lungs. That absorbed oxygen is taken to all the parts of our body. We can protect our lungs very carefully in many ways. Go for a walk early in the morning. Do breathing exercise regularly. Wear mask to prevent from air pollution. Avoid smoking. Wash and sanitize your hands frequently. Avoid cold food items. Grow tiny plants in your house. Drink green tea with ginger and lemon. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.
நான் இன்று தமிழில் உழவு தொழிலின் மேன்மைகளை பற்றி சொல்ல போகிறேன். குறள்: உடுண்டு வாழ்வாரே வாழ்வர், மற்றெல்லாம் தொடர்ந்து பின் செல்பவர். விளக்கம்: மற்றவர்க்கு உணவினை அளித்திடும் உழவு தொழிலை செய்து அதனால் வாழ்பவரின் வாழ்வே உண்மையான வாழ்வாகும். மற்ற எல்லோரும் அவரை தொழுது பின் செல்பவர்களே.
இயற்கை விவசாயம். மனிதன் இயற்கையை இயற்கையாக செய்வது இயற்கை விவசாயம். மனிதன் இயற்கையை இயற்கையாக செய்வது இயற்கை விவசாயம். செயற்கைத்தன்மை எதுவும் இல்லாமல் விளைவிக்கப்படும் அனைத்தும் இயற்கை சார்ந்தது. இயற்கை விவசாயத்தின் அடிப்படை. இயற்கை உரம். விலங்குகளின் கழிவுகளும் அவை கழிக்கப்பட்ட வைக்கோல் மற்றும் இலைத்தழைகளை. This is my model sense organ. The 5 sense organ are nose, eyes, ears, tongue and skin. Nose is one of the sense organ. We breathe through our nose. The 2 holes in our nose called nostrils. Nose is made up of soft bones. We breathe and we exhale the air to nose. Eyes is one of the important sense organ. Eyes helps us to see. My presentation name is Earth. This is my healthy food pyramid. Healthy food contains all types of nutrition like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, daily fiber and water. It helps with proper growth of our body. We get these nutrition from food grains, fruits and vegetables, meats, dairy products and sweets and oils. Now I am going to say some healthy food habits. Load your plate with the vegetables and fruits. Eat the balanced breakfast. Don't serve yourself. Ask question when you eat out. Eat more proteins and fibers. Limit your sodium and sugar. Don't just count calories. Move on to whole grains and millets. I am going to talk about money. Money is very important. We buy something, we need money. Money is important. Like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupee, 200 rupee, 500 rupee and 2000 rupee. Now I am going to explain about types of houses. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, thieves and wild animals. We feel safe in our houses. There are different types of houses. We will see one by one. Flat. This is the flat. This is part of larger building. The building has several flats. It is made by brick, steel and rods and glasses. Tent. This is the tent. It is made by cloths and canvas. It can be folded up after use. Boat house. This is the boat house. Some people live in boats. We can see it in Kerala. This is a farmland. Animals and their homes. This is a dog. Dog is a pet animal. Dog eat bones. Dog keep our house safe. This is a cow. Cow is a sacred animal. Cow milk is very nutritious. I am going to explain about family. There are 2 types of family. They are small family and big family. Small family. A family with parents, 1 or 2 children is called small family. Small family is a happy family. Small family is also called nuclear family. Marriage of small family creates better understanding, maintains situation, lack of pressure, easy to fulfill requirements, make lot of happiness. Demarriage of small family. Sun. It is the biggest star plus other solar system. Its gas is the force holds the entire solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury. It is smallest and closest planet to the Sun. The surface of the planet filled with craters, mountains, valley. Venus. It is second closest planet to the Sun and the hottest. Its surface is covered with clouds, craters, mountains, and lava plains. Earth. This third planet in solar system. This is also called as. I am going to talk about biodegradable and non-biodegradable. First, I am going to tell about biodegradable. Some example of biodegradable waste are apple skin, orange skin, coquina, etc. Biodegradable waste are kitchen waste. It can be converted into fertilizers. Next, I am going to tell about non-biodegradable waste. Some examples of non-biodegradable waste are plastic spoon, plastic cover, plastic lid, biscuit cover, etc. If non-biodegradable and biodegradable join, it will make pollution. So we should always separate the waste and put in dustbin. Thank you. This is an light travel. This light travel which help means this light travel we can travel at the speed of 1,86,000 miles. We put light here means here block means that light was not reflect. Here we can not block means it will reflect. Thank you.
Afternoon, I am Jayashree from 6th A. Today I am explaining about transparent, transparent and opaque. First one, transparent, the object which allows the light to pass through it is called transparent objects, that is window. Next, transparent, the object which allows the light to pass through it is called transparent objects. Example sunglass. Next, opaque, the object which do not allow the light to pass through it is called opaque objects. Example, book bag. Thank you.
Prairie. I am class 7 from Kenya. I am going to tell about groundwater. Groundwater is the largest source of fresh water on the planet, excluding the polar ice caps and glaciers. The amount of groundwater within 800 meters of the ground surface is over 30 times, and in all the fresh water is lakes and reservoirs, and about 3,000 times at the stream channels at any time. Now I am going to show you how it works. Take the dirty water and pour it. It becomes here pure water, pure and clean water.
I'm going to test for starch, protein, fats. Test for starch. We need a test tube. We need a test tube and a food item. And add 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution.
I am SV Janani of grade 9. Here I have presented the electronic configuration of first 20 elements of the periodic table in their increasing order of their atomic number. So these electrons, distribution of these electrons is done by the electronic configuration and the atomic number. So these electrons will first fill the K shell, then the L shell, then M shell and N shell. So K shell is the first shell and it allows maximum 2 electrons. And L shell is the second shell and it allows maximum 8 electrons. And M shell is the third shell and it allows maximum 18 electrons, and N shell is the last shell and it allows maximum 32 electrons. So the maximum capacity to hold electrons in the outermost shell is 8. For example, in an hydrogen only one electron is present in the K shell, because the atomic number of the hydrogen is 1 and the atomic mass is 1 and the electronic configuration is 1, because the recombining capacity to hold the electrons to lose or gain to attain the noble gas configuration is known as valency. So to attain the noble gas configuration, instead of gaining 7 electrons, it is easy to lose 1 electron. So the valence is 1 and the valency is 1. For chlorine, the atomic number is 17 because the 2 electron is present in the K shell and 8 electron is present in the L shell and 7 electron is present in the M shell. So and the atomic mass is 35.5 and the electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. So to attain the noble gas configuration, instead of losing 7 electrons, it is easy to gain 1 electron to make the outermost shell 8. So the valence is 7 and the valency is 1. For calcium, the 2 electron is present in the K shell and 8 electron is present in the L shell and 8 electron is present in the M shell and 2 electron is present in the N shell. Because the atomic number of the calcium is 20 and the atomic mass is 40 and the electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 2. So to attain the noble gas configuration, instead of gaining 6 electrons, it is easy to lose 2 electrons. So the valence is 2 and the valency is 2. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Ritin Subramaniam. I am studying in 9th standard. This model is based on Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now I pull this marble. When I leave this, consider it as an action. When I leave, there will be an equal and opposite reaction passing through this marble, and this marble gets moved here because there is no marble present here. So when I leave this, the action and the reaction is occurred here, and that's it. Thank you.
I am going to explain about animal cell. It has mitochondria, plasma membrane, ribosomes, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, cytoplasm. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the animal cell. Plasma membrane, it is the outermost layer of the animal cell. Ribosomes, it is small and round, small structure and round numerous. Nucleus, center of the animal cell. Nucleus is the center of the animal cell. Endoplasmic reticulum, there are 2 types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi apparatus, it is a stick-like structure. It is one type of cell on animal cell. Lysosome, which cell is damaged, that cell it will burst and it will produce new cell.
Good morning. My name is R. Kavinesh. Now I am going to explain about deforestation and afforestation. Deforestation is the process in which we are conserving the forest land into non-forest land is called deforestation. The Food and Agriculture of United Nations says that the deforestation is the second leading causes of climatic change. The deforestation is the big contributor for the global warming and climatic change. The deforestation will make the dangerous in some places like water cycle in some areas and floods in some places. Forests have also maintained the oxygen and carbon dioxide in equal, but the deforestation had been increased the oxygen and carbon dioxide level in our atmosphere, and also the deforestation had been and also the forest had been maintained the soil erosion, but the deforestation had been not maintained the soil erosion, and so if the rains came, the soil erosion form and there will be no soil. Now we will be go to the afforestation. Afforestation is the process in which we are conserving the non-forest land into forest land is called afforestation. While we are cutting like this trees, we will be get more medicines in the leaves, and also we can be get many medicines which the disease are not cured. So we can be help in our life. Thank you.
मेरा नाम पी दिनेश है। आज दक्षिण भारत हिंदी प्रचार सभा के बारे में बताना जा रहा हूँ। भारत एक बहुभाषी देश है। गांधी जी ने सभी भारतवासियों को एक साथ बनाना चाहता है। इसलिए उन्होंने दक्षिण भारत हिंदी प्रचार सभा को निर्माण किया है। सभा ने हिंदी सिखाने के लिए कई पुस्तकें प्रकाशित किया है। दक्षिण का आंध्रा, केरल, कर्नाटका और तमिलनाडु में सभा की शाखाएं हैं। सभा में हजारों से प्रचारक हैं। सभा में प्रतिवर्ष परीक्षा के लिए लाखों से छात्रों ने भाग लेते हैं।
मेरी नाम रा कविनया।
मेरा नाम धनिश है। मैं कक्षा 7वीं में पढ़ता हूँ। ये हमारा वर्ण विच्छेद का प्रोजेक्ट है। इसे हमें स्प्लिट करके लिखना होगा। जैसे हिंदी ह, ई, इन, इद, ई हिंदी। और चिंगारी ची, इच, ई, इन, आ, इर, ई। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मेरी नाम रोसलिन है। दीपावली के बारे में बताना चाहते हूँ। अच्छी बातें। दीपावली को दीपों का त्योहार को दीपोत्सव भी कहा जाता है। दीपावली भारत सबसे लोकप्रिय और सबसे बड़े त्योहार है। दीपावली खुशी का त्योहार है। वह त्योहार भगवान राम का याद में मनाया जाता हूँ, जो 14 वर्ष वनवास का बाद अयोध्या लौटे हैं।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम याशिता है। अब बुरी चीज़ें पटाखों के कारण प्रदान फैलता है। दीपावली में फिजूल तेल जाता है। अत्यधिक मिष्टान और पकवान से स्वास्थ्य